factory of 455. So 455, it can be written as 5 times 91. 5 times 91 means 455. 91, it can be written as 7 times 13. 7 times 13 means 91. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 5, 7 and 13. So we can write 455 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 5 times this 7 times this 13. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.